My overall experience has been amazing. Like I said, I've referred countless people here. I rave about Dr. Mike and his team anywhere and everywhere I can. I've done reviews. I mean, they're just such an amazing office. My name is Sarah Howard, and I received extensive work from Dr. Mike Maroon, and I ended up getting a porcelain crown on every single one of my teeth in my mouth. It was professional, it was easy. Dr. Mike was very efficient and helpful in letting me know what was going on, and he really just was so amazing. Procedure was long. We had to drill my whole mouth, every tooth, but we hammered it out, and I'm a trooper, so, but Mike is also a trooper, right? He got it done. It was done perfectly. I think in 5 weeks top, we had everything kind of done, and I have not had any cavities or issues with my teeth at all. I brush twice a day, I floss, I get 4 cleanings a year. I'm super on top of it, and I feel like Dr. Mike is really my partner in it, and I'm really grateful. I feel like he saved my teeth.